Like somebody, I met some of them, like my
Mhm.
friends, right, after a long time. So they were like, yeah, we can see the changes.
Visible differences there because I have seen your photograph now, and now I'm seeing you
Hmm.
live. So visible differences there. Good, good.
So Rishikesh, total, what is has been the total results with you? Kgs or inches?
Yeah, so like I have lost around like in the 3 months I had lost around 9 kgs, and like after that now I have lost even 1 more kg, while like even with traveling and all, just with ma'am's diet I'm able to follow portion control and all. So
Right.
even while traveling and having food not prepared at home, I have lost 1.5 kgs even more now.
Wonderful. Superb. Superb. And what about, your clothes fitting and size?
Yeah, so actually I'm able to fit into my old clothes because this weight gain, right? Most of this was because of lockdown.
Right.
Like even before lockdown, like I was not 75, I was somewhere close to like 78 to 80 I used to be.
Right.
But because of this, that like I was somewhere close to 89. Like last December I had been 89, and then some cardio, and then because of some traveling I lost 4 kg, and then I was maintaining 85, but still I was not able to lose fat. So I was not fitting in my old clothes. But yeah, now I'm fitting back into my, now the clothes which I purchased in this lockdown are feeling like loose a bit.
Right. Superb. Superb. Wonderful. Wonderful. So what has been the reaction of your, family and friends when they've seen you change?
Yeah, they were like earlier they were always because they were also telling me that you should lose a bit of weight because it's not looking good, because like they had even when I was gaining weight, I was not gaining much of fat because I used to travel and I used to go to office and my college and all of that stuff, so I was not gaining a lot of fat. But because of this, like completely work from and all, I had gained a lot of it. So they were telling that you are not looking good, and also now they're, yeah, you are back into shape now. You are looking a bit different and good. Yeah.
Right. 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 So you must be getting a lot of compliments now from everybody.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. Especially like when your friends give you compliment, right? That is
Exactly.
something, because those people usually don't compliment you. So when those guys start complimenting, then yes, you are like, yeah, yeah, now definitely there is some change.
Awesome, man. Superb. I know that's a really wonderful feeling.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. So, have you felt a change in your moods, or how you feel generally before and now?
Yeah, like even with the workout, and I was doing a lot of cardio sessions, right? So because of that, now even I'm feeling like my stamina and the way I used to work out in the beginning, right? I used to need a lot of breaks, and now I'm like back to normal because I was, I was into not into fitness, but I was into sports. So I used to play a lot. I used to swim. So now because of this, I have like gained back that stuff. I was not able to play football and all, so I am now again starting to, get into sports more.
Superb. So now you have, with the fitness classes and weight loss, you have built that stamina that you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So the stamina was also a good aspect. With like just weight loss won't have helped me, but the gain in stamina was also a plus I had.
Right, right, right. So which fitness classes were you doing mostly with us?
Mostly I was doing like Nikita ma'am's and Pankaj sir's classes only. I was mostly, and sometimes when time was not right with Nikita ma'am, I used to do Anu ma'am's class, like
Right,
sometimes in between.
right, right. So Pankaj sir's classes are, quite intense.
Yeah, yeah. Pankaj sir's classes, like it took me almost like a month to get used to, like completely,
Right,
the way he, because those were really intense classes, Pankaj sir's classes.
right, right, right. Anu and Nikita's are, still quite doable.
Yeah, yeah.
वंडरफुल तो actual stamina तो पंकज सर की classes में बनाऊंगा जो HIIT and
Yeah, yeah, actually, with both the strength training plus the cardio, you just feel
right,
completely drained after that hour.
right, right, true, true, awesome, awesome, superb, superb. So, and what is your plan going forward? How do you plan to maintain this, or get even more results?
So right now, I have been traveling a lot because of my, because COVID was gone and I
Right,
was back to my working standard. So I had a lot of meetings which were getting delayed because of this COVID. So those are back. So I'm traveling a lot currently, but still I'm able to, work out even if there are gyms in the hotel, or even I'm just carrying a small weights with me also because my luggage is, so that's why I'm able to work out a bit, and I'm just maintaining portion controls even when even I'm eating outside. I'm just trying and eating a limited amount so that I don't put on weight. So I'm maintaining it that way. It just once my schedule get back to normal, I guess I'll get back into the complete workout and everything again.
Superb, superb. So you have learned things about exercise and diet, nutrition. Those principles you have learned at what worked for
Yeah,
you,
actually.
and you'll still keep
Yeah.
practicing them going forward.
Yes.
Superb. So I think this is the secret to weight not bouncing back. A lot of people ask us, "Is a weight bounce back to nahi ho jayega?" So this is what we explain, that you will
Yeah.
learn these principles and you implement them. It will not bounce back.
Yeah, actually, because losing weight is something one thing, but you know what? Even with ma'am's work, like diet plan, what I got to know is portion control is something which you will need to always follow.
Right.
Like sometimes it happens that if we like some dish, so we just go ahead and have it till we are
Right.
not full. So
Yeah.
we should control some like that urge to it. So even if we like something, it's just that a small quantity will work. You should not just overeat anything.
Superb, superb. Well said, Rishikesh. I hope all the other members listen to this and learn from this.
Yeah, this is a great like this is what I liked about ma'am, because she even told me the importance of portion control and everything. That yeah, I think because of that this is even more helpful. Not just that she is giving you a diet plan and
Right.
you are losing weight, but she is even telling you that you should always maintain your and you know the things which should be followed, because after you lose weight, the maintaining the weight is
Right.
also a thing which should happen.
Exactly. Exactly. तभी उसका long term benefit है. You're able to
Yeah,
maintain.
yeah,
Right.
actually, yes.
Superb, Seema. You have a wonderful student. Unmute, Seema. Just unmute.
Yes, definitely. He's too good. He was very obedient. He was very disciplined. And I will definitely give the credit to him because of his hard work. And really, it's amazing. I am seeing it. I'm seeing him for the first time. I've seen his photographs and all. Looking visible differences there. And whatever he has said, he has really made me very happy. I'm feeling so elated. The thing is, obviously, I'll tell everybody, with all my clients, I just love them because I treat them as my kids only. He's also just like my kid. So I told him about the importance. I believe in that. It is not only the thing that okay, eat this, eat that. I always tell them the importance of protein. I always tell them how to do portion control. Now that he is telling it, I'm feeling very happy. He was listening carefully. He was listening and he was obedient. That is the reason he has got amazing results. So it is really, Rishikesh, thank you so much. I'm really feeling very good.
All thanks to all thanks to you only.
But your hard work, it is your hard work, and the credit goes to you. Really, it is amazing.
Awesome, awesome. So Seemaji, I've seen two categories. Like some people like Rishikesh, they can get nearly 10 kgs in 3 months, and same clients doing same things, but they're limited to 5, 6 or around that kgs. So what is that differentiating factor? How to get from 5, 6 kg loss in 3 months to 9 or 10 kg plus loss? Yeah, like you have both type of clients with you.
Yes, definitely. I've got both type of clients, and some clients are even getting losing 10 kg in 2 months also. So the thing is, I'll tell you the difference. It is because Rishikesh he was satisfied. He used to say, "Ma'am, I feel satiated also in whatever diet you have given. I want to go slowly." So that is the reason he lost 10 kg in 3 months. And the thing is, what happens is discipline, consistency, and adherence has to be there. Whatever diet plan I'm giving, I want them to follow almost 90 to 100%, not 50 to 60%. If they're unable to follow it, if they're taking cheat meals and all that, sometimes they tell me, ma'am, we have started following 50 to 60%, and still we are reducing, so we are happy. But the thing is, obviously, we are aware that if we will follow it properly, we'll lose more, but due to some circumstances or whatever, they are unable to do it. From my experience, I have learned that whoever is following it properly, they are getting very good results. Though one reason is their medical issues can be there, slow metabolism can be there, many issues are there. Even we understand that. But in spite of that, if they follow it properly, they will definitely get good results. As I always, whenever I used to take follow-up, Rishikesh is also aware of that. whenever I used to take follow-up, I used to ask them, how is your workout going? How is your hydration? How is your step count? Everything matters apart from diet plan.
Right.
So all these things have to be taken into consideration, and then definitely they will get very good weight loss.
Superb. Wonderful. Awesome. So Rishikesh, we have a lot of members, as you know, you must have seen in classes,
Yeah.
everybody wants to, reduce some kgs, tone up, improve the stamina strength. So in short, like if you'd like to advise them that, certain concepts or certain principles that they should follow to see good results or good change in them, maybe an attitude that you have had, some specific mentality that helped you, get here, and that can help them also.
Yeah. The only thing like which I would like to tell people is that we should not give up, because what I have seen even with my journey is it takes time. Like for in the initial days, right? Like I would say, like in the first month, I just lost around 1.5 kgs, not more.
Yeah.
For the first month, I just lost a 1.5 kgs, and at that time it was like I was feeling a bit, but I was feeling a bit concerned that how will this work? Like, will it? Is it worth it? And all of that, but we should think that we have taken, like, even if we consider the lockdown, it has been almost like 1.5 years to almost
Right.
like so we should consider that in mind, that it took a lot of time to gain your weight. So but if we do everything consistently, initially we'll start getting the result. Like first month I lost just 1.5 kgs, second month I lost around 4 to 5 kgs, and then in the third month also it followed. So I guess it takes some time initially for our body also to get used to everything and all, but if we are doing anything consistently, then of course we will see results.
Wonderful. Superb, Rishikesh. It's really nice of you to come online and share your experience. I'm sure this will help, all other members also. They would know that, what principles to stick to and what should be your attitude, your, thinking to this. You should not go for just fast results. It should be healthy also. And, you
Yes.
should learn what principles to, follow and maintain it for lifelong. That's how you get the best benefit from this transformation program.
Yes.
Superb. It's really nice of you, Rishesh and Seema ma'am. Thank you so much for coming online and sharing with us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. In
Yeah.
fact, I'm feeling very
Thank you.
happy listening to Rishikesh. I'm really feeling very happy because I'm also earlier I had done BH, so I was also a teacher. So the thing is, when your students do well, now you feel very happy. And I always share in nutrition group also. Whenever you people share your weight loss and inch loss, and you're satisfied with the journey, I am the one who feels very elated, very happy. Thank you so much, Rishikesh. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you to ma'am.